Akaona chivata zvokuti dhoari haurinzweka.
Watakufa.
Boss chinoita noise kachini ichochi.
So we're gonna call. Ish. Nzi kona box.
Apa vanhu vanenge vachiti mufana ari kuEurope.
Kuti mufana unonga maro.
Uchingosvika kuEurope unobva watowana kabasa kemuoffice.
Panenge basa umurina maoffice obasa muwaniki zvodaro. They will just find a reason yekuti sorry we can't hire at the moment. Sometimes they'll just be like, we're looking for a Polish person. And then that's it. We're in Kabaji right now. So we're looking for apartment number 4. Both, yes. Nice. Thank you. Yes. This is what we call a worst case scenario. No elevator. Up we're going to the 6th floor.
Today, what we want to do is experiment if doing food deliveries in Poland is still worth it. So I have my friend with me, Takunda. He's been working on boat foods, right?
Yeah,
boat foods, and he's been doing some deliveries. So today I decided to join him to see if it is still worth it to do it in Poland. So yeah, let's get into the video and hopefully we have enough information to present to you guys.
Okay, so we started at I think 3:30 and it's now 10 minutes to 4. We've been waiting for a while. One order we got, I couldn't accept it because I don't think I could park there. And so now we're still waiting for a new order, which is weird because as you can see the demand here is apparently should be high because it's 1.9. And normally when that's the number you get, it's you don't normally have to wait that long for a new order to come in. But yeah, I guess we just have to keep waiting and until then we'll let you know.
Exactly. Yeah. Pane vekuti haungarambi mari.
Usangoti yeah, namari order ipini. I was even telling this other lady who was doing a documentary on me again. I think it was last month. Yeah. She was like, "What do you like about Polish people?" I just like how you guys.
And we have an order
for 23 zloty from both markets. This is
23 zloty for a total of 5.5 kilometers, right?
Yeah.
Which would take us approximately 22 minutes. You can accept it.
Which is where we're going either way. That's where I'd sit.
That's where we're going?
Yeah.
Okay.
Asking me, what do you like about Polish people? As much as it's annoying that some of you don't speak English sometimes, I find it like, it's a nice thing also to have for your country. Like, country is so secure and independent.
Exactly.
You don't need to learn any other language to stay or to like travel anywhere else. You can live your whole life in Poland.
You can live your whole life in Poland, exactly.
Speaking Polish,
language, and you can have a good life.
Yeah.
Yeah.
My sister don't be kama Zimbabwe kama SA kama DDD. Yeah, this is us. We're going to Bold Market to pick up the order, and I think at the end of the video I'll tell you about the partner I'm using and how to apply and stuff like that. So yeah, let's go. Yeah. So yeah, for those who are completely new, when you get your order and you arrive, you have to press along this arrived, and then you can pick up your order. It's 2 doors now. So that. Yeah, and then picked up. Now we can go drop off to the customer. Okay, yeah, so for those who are wondering how to sign up for an account in deliveries, there's actually 3 different apps. You can either do Bolt, you can do Uber Eats, you can do Volt, or you can do Glovo. I'm using Bolt right now. And for all of those, I have the same partner, which you can use to sign up for an account. That's the one who's going to help you. The documents you need, if I'm not mistaken, what they asked of me was my passport and a picture of my TRC, my ID, and a picture of my driver's license because I'm using a car, and that was pretty much it. So for those of you who may wanna, get referral to like which partner to use, I think Emmanuel will put a link, or you can just ask in the comments and he will reply to you.
And then what about if you don't have a car? Are
If
there
you
any
don't have
other options that you can use?
Yeah. There's also bike, like a scooter, or a bicycle. There was a third option where you could, a fourth option, sorry, where you could be a pedestrian and, do the whole walking thing, door to door, but then it got taken off. I'm not sure why. But I think it's pretty much the same process for all of those options in terms of signing up.
So what has been like your worst experience with the customers, like with food delivery customers?
For me personally, it's customers will mostly argue with you via phone. That's one thing I find funny. Via phone, and when you show up, they're quiet. They don't say anything because they'll be texting you like sometimes, "Where are you?" and you're waiting for an order, because the restaurant may take time to prepare the food or stuff like that. Then when you get to the customer, they just, they don't even confront you. They're just quiet about everything. But then my best experience was this one time when I had to drop off an order to this customer who was in, I don't know if it was a park or something, but basically I think I parked my car somewhere, let's say maybe for example here, and then the customer was like maybe 500 or more meters away, basically like a football field length, and I had to walk that distance, and I had like a bit of confusion finding him and stuff like that, but then eventually he just came out of some woods or something. I don't know where he was coming from.
Some woods.
Yeah, there was like a woods and a bridge. They just popped out of nowhere, like, oh yeah, because he was also looking for me, I was looking for him. And then we took like a bit of a time finding each other. But then eventually when I did find him, he was like, thank you, man. I'm sorry you had to walk through all this forest and stuff like that to find me. What's your blick? And I wasn't expecting that because I thought he was going to be upset about, the delay and stuff like that.
Like you're late and stuff like that.
But he was actually like quite chill about it. Like, what's your break? Let me give you a tip. Then, so for a tip, I was expecting maybe, 10, 20 maximum. But no, it was actually 50.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Yeah. And that was like one of my first few orders that day. So that was a really good day for me.
Yeah, that would be a very, very good day.
Yeah.
Because you know that on that money, no commission is going to...
No commission is going to direct to my bank account. We're in Cambodia right now. But that's the price you have to pay when you get orders with higher, what do you call it? Higher earnings.
Higher earnings.
High earnings. So one thing that I used to find really hard when I first started using Bolt was finding addresses and stuff like that. But I think now it's more easier because I'm pretty good with the application and, the GPS and knowing where I'm at. But sometimes when you can't find when the customer doesn't answer in some situations, you can also just leave the order near the drop-off location, take a picture and just walk away, which I find funny because how do they know you won't take it or something like that? So we're looking for apartment number 4. Then you get customers who take their time answering the door. And it's really cold.
Maybe you can try to call them again.
It's ringing.
Najariya kuignore yawa.
Sure. Try some order.
Right, apa mukomana asvika panzvimbo, asvika kwaari kunosiya, but munhu acho haasi kudaira foni. tamboidzwa kumufonera pakodha basi kana kudaira, so we just have to wait, but tikasvika a certain number of minutes panofanira kunge pane maminutes here. Bolt inoita zvemaminutes.
Not really. You can just call. You just have to send a screenshot of wazama mfonera munacho. Like 5 times.
Wazama mfonera ka 5?
Yeah.
And then
you just leave the order. You can leave the order, yeah. And take a picture.
Okay.
Yeah. But buy. No good chika. No chika. Then I take a picture of this as well.
Alright.
One time put pani banana can order one. Like I stood at the door and I was waiting for a while. That mirror, the washika mlash. I just got to pack. She can see, hey, that's me.
Wani ngato odo wachi pakwaruva. Nzatosvikira.
You can see, she can see both that yes. That's me, that's mine. From Jara. Someone needs a panel from Jara. I'm so good for him.
Yeah, man, I got ordered pakwaruva.
Yeah, so what we have now is a worst case scenario where the customer isn't answering the door. So we're gonna call. Ish. Is it one of I don't know. So yeah, we just have to call them a few times. And if they don't answer, we don't leave the order by the door and carry on. I'm also trying to text him as well. But I mean, so yeah, I think I can give you a walkthrough. We go and get help. Customer support, then problem with the customer, no, chat, customer is not answering phone, door to the building. Yeah. Hello? They hung up. Yeah, they called us back and now we got an answer. We're going in. Yeah. No, wait. You should say about the of us. 10, 11, 12. Nope. Okay, yeah, that went well. So that's done. Delivered. And yeah, Bolt also responded as well. But I have the message. Kumuka.
Hakuona chibata zvokuti dhoari haurinzweka.
Vatakufa.
Boss chinoita noise kachini ichochi. Saka kuti chipa pavanhu vari kuda kuuya vada kutanga chidhiri chekuita madelivery. Chine musoro here. Chino make sense.
Yeah, it's a nice side gig. But I think as a main job, you can do this, but you should we know there's foreigners, jobs you can get, a factory, a warehouse, you clean my dish or whatever. Those jobs actually is low end as any seem mari. Yeah, so
kudarika like vamwe vari kuenda corporate jobs.
Yeah, corporate jobs. So if you're doing this one, it's a bit slow because it's a seasonal type of job. Sometimes it's orders are not even there. Sometimes they're there. But I think it's because some Christmas, some more than one day. We know in December as well. Plus, what to know when I shall do Buddha Vans. As you, some I'm someone to know suffer man. I saw one again more. I was going to Shandiki just.
Apa nanungu achiti mfana ari kuEurope.
Kuti mfana unonga maroi.
Uchingosvika kuEurope unobva watowana kabasa kemuoffice.
Panenge basa murina maoffice basa muwanike zvakudaro. They will just find a reason. They would, sorry, we can't hire at the moment. Sometimes they'll just be like, we're looking for a Polish person. And then that's it. So don't move around.
Right, tadzoka isu pange pari kutonhora guys.
Big orders, yeah. 31 Mari.
Very, very big order.
Maybe take it.
That's our second order for the day.
And it's quite close. But where you're going is far. Yeah. Yeah.
We have arrived at
The restaurant.
the restaurant. It's a kebab. I don't know if you can see
I think
it.
we'll park here.
It's a kebab, so yeah.
Yeah, actually, you guys are talking about boredom. Because I try to keep my content related to really artistic sort of. So like one thing artists go through like, again is art block, near boredom and stuff like that. So
Exactly.
yeah. But I do something on that's not 100. But that's what I talk about boredom, guys. Don't try to be young enough. Both, yes. Right. Thank you. Yes. Okay.
That was fast.
Yeah, that was quick. But it's a big kebab. So you have to put it sideways.
Be interested in watching something like that. Even kana idea ke ka movie yataidomboita
Sha. Futi iripo.
iripo.
For my channel. I can say music. Was it so copyright?
Aiwa, atinenge tichidriva tisingatauri nyaya ndinozoisa I'm just hoping kuti mavhidhiyo angu anenge asingasheki pane ndichifamba since ndisina chistabilize.
Yako ina meshi ina super seed. But super seed inozikisa quality. But it should have.
I hope so.
Can feature on super seed. I'm not about this. I'm going to take it.
Oh,
Yeah. That's the opener. 25 key, 2525. I'm falando zero de vocês. Should be this one. This is what we call a worst case scenario. No elevator. Up we're going to the 6th floor.
so we're going to the 6th floor and there's no elevator.
Maybe this one. I just build the owner and Jaguar. You know, yeah, so yeah, I'm sorry, yeah, in I could go from Busandigo. Packing, so after dropping off our last order, we've done a total of 4 orders today, and we started at 1. No, 3. Sorry, 3 o'clock. And it's now 5. So this is what how much we ate in total, but then the application takes a certain amount. So this is what we actually have, 72, and that's about 18 US, $18 US, yeah.